Today, as we mark Labor Day, we come together not just to celebrate, but to reflect, stand united, and make our voices heard. Labor Day is far more than a long weekend or a symbolic end of summer. It's a tribute to the dedication, commitment, and perseverance of workers across every field and every sector. It's a moment to recognize that the work we do is foundational, not only to the success of our students, but to the strength of our communities and our province. Labor Day reminds us that we are not alone. Across Canada, workers are demanding better, fair wages, safe working conditions, respect, and dignity. This day is rooted in the struggles of those who came before us. Their courage and collective action won us the rights we now defend, and we must do the same for those who come after us. As teachers, we understand the power of solidarity. Our unity in our current negotiations is not just about a contract. It's about valuing education in ourselves. It's about protecting the future of public schools. It's also about ensuring that our profession and our students are not shortchanged. Let this Labor Day be a reminder that change doesn't come from waiting, it comes from standing together. Thank you for your continued strength in your advocacy and your commitment. Together we are stronger, together we will be heard. Happy Labor Day.